Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today we are diving into the all-new 2025 Kawasaki KLX 230, a bike that blends off-road power with street-friendly practicality. Let's see what makes this machine stand out. Engine and performance. At its heart, the KLX 230 is powered by a 233 cubic centimeters, fuel-injected, air-cooled single-cylinder engine. Kawasaki has refined it for 2025 with a new intake system, ECU tuning, and a primary balancer to cut down vibrations. The result? Smooth torque at low and mid RPMs, perfect for trails, city rides, and light touring. Variants. The KLX 230 comes in 3 flavors. The KLX 230 RRS is more off-road focused, with long travel suspension, higher ground clearance, and beadlock wheels. The KLX 230S is a true dual sport, equally comfortable on the street and dirt, plus it comes with optional ABS for safer braking. And then there's the KLX 230 SM, a supermoto with 17-inch wheels and sharp styling for riders who want road presence with a sporty twist. Comfort and handling. Kawasaki has reworked the ergonomics this year: wider seat, thicker foam, and a revised handlebar and foot peg setup for better control. The lower seat height on the S model makes it friendly for beginners, while the R version is built for riders who love aggressive off-road fun. Suspension travel ranges from around 8 to nearly 10 inches, so bumps, trails, and rough city roads are no problem. Design and features. The KLX 230 carries KX-inspired bodywork, sleek side panels, and a muscular fuel tank. A new steel fuel tank with a locking cap adds durability, while the digital dash gives clear readouts. On top of that, Kawasaki now offers smartphone connectivity via the Rideology app, letting you track rides and bike data. Practicality and road presence. Fuel capacity is now 2 gallons, enough for long weekend rides. With a curb weight around 290 pounds, it's light, nimble, and easy to handle in traffic. The aggressive styling, especially on the SM version, ensures this bike stands out on the road. Outro. So whether you're a trail lover, a daily commuter, or a supermoto fan, the 2025 Kawasaki KLX 230 has something for everyone. It's practical, stylish, and packed with Kawasaki reliability. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider for more real-world bike reviews.